YouTube Make Money Online. It's a quick unboxing review of Harbor Freight's EarthQuake XT 20 volt max lithium half-inch cordless extreme torque impact wrench. Picked this up today, Harbor Freight. Paid $2.59 for it. No coupons available, so decided to snatch and grab it up. So here it is. This is the box. What we're going to do here is take a look at it. I'm going to open her up over here. Slide the box out that way. There you go there. It's a nice solid case. Case is real solid. So what I'm going to do is turn this bad boy around. Get ourselves some scissors here. Cut off this little plastic zip tie they got on there. Alright, I'm back, guys. Here we go. Here it go in the flesh. We have our EarthQuake XT manual. There you go. Goes right in this little case right here. And this is the kit. Comes with your battery charger, EarthQuake XT 20 volt lithium max battery, and your impact wrench here. So we're going to take the impact out. It's not bad. Nice grip here. Yeah. There you go. There underneath here. No specs there. Not bad at all. And I will be using this because I'm working on my car here, doing my engine swap, engine removal, and I'll be putting this EarthQuake XT to the test. So stay tuned for more videos of the Audi A6 engine removal and of this, of course, the Harbor Freight EarthQuake XT. Thanks for watching. Peace.